This is a short video about the power of lines. Some people don't really understand how powerful lines actually are. The truth is, lines represent energy in its most pure state in a drawing. That energy can be calm or it can be exciting and powerful. Everything that you can imagine can be represented with a line. A drawing without lines is just a mass of values. Add the lines in, and now you're telling a story. You're providing the viewer with an energetic experience. Lines can be very short or very long. They can be solid or they can be implied. They can be carefully drawn or quickly scribbled in. Lines give you the power to take your viewer on a journey of discovery. You choose whether to take them somewhere calm, somewhere exciting, or somewhere powerful. You choose what will you do with your line. Want to know more? Visit www.justindwyerartistry.art now.